Hey beauties, I wanted to share my hair stash. This includes some of my favorite products. These products have helped me transform my dry and thick type 4 hair into moisturized coily curls. I hope this helps give you some ideas of what products to try out. So I'm going to show you the products and then I'm going to jump right into it and give you, just talk about the product briefly. So here we have the As I Am Hydration Elation. So this is a deep conditioner. The next up is, this is Soultanicals Afrotastic Curl Elastic Deep Conditioning Treatment. These are both deep conditioners that I adore. The next up is the Kinky Curly Come Clean Clarifying Shampoo. So this is very clarifying. It's not the most moisturizing shampoo, but it's good to have a clarifying shampoo. This is the Apogee Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. So this is a protein treatment. So you want to have a balance between protein and moisture in your hair. So if you have more moisture in your hair, your hair is more elastic. If you have more protein, it's going to be it's going to snap easier. So in the color applicator bottles, we have aloe vera juice and water, and then the other one is an oil mixture. And then here is cut off in the clip. Sorry about that. It's the Coconut Co-Wash by As I Am. It's a cleansing conditioner. Next up is the As I Am Hydration Elation. This is a deep conditioner. So yeah, I'm just gonna I show you the products a couple times. We talked about that. That's a really good product. Soultanicals is a great brand. Here is Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. This is very cleansing. It cleans your scalp. It's just moisturizing. I'm just showing you the products again. So these are products I use weekly to wash my hair. I will have a video talking about my weekly routine and what I use. And all the products that I'm showing and I'm talking about in this video are going to be down below. Here we go. This is what I have actually under my sink. So I keep all my hair products under my sink. This is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. I used to use this to deep condition and detangle. Next up is the Wet Line Extreme Gel. This is very good. It's a defining gel, not the most moisturizing gel. Next up, we have the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Buttercream. These names, guys, on these natural hair products will be like, whew. This is a very good moisturizer. I pair that actually with the Wet Line Gel, and those work well together. This is a Cream of Nature Foamy Mousse. This is a really good mousse. It's really good and it has a good hold to it. I like to use it when I do like braid outs. And if you pair that with like shea butter, it's perfect. This is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. This is not my favorite. This is a protein treatment. Next up, this is the coconut oil I use. I get this from Aldi. This is organic and it's unredefined. So I use that to pre-poo my hair, to detangle it. Next up is like my #1 favorite gel, Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Can't live without this stuff. And I recommend getting the big bottle like that. So good, so hydrating, so much definition. Next up is the As I Am Double Butter Cream. This is my moisturizing cream. Stand by this. That's why I have a big jar of it. This is Afro-G Curlific Moisture Rich Leave-In Conditioner. I like to use a spray leave-in most of the time. This is the Kinky Curly, not today. Pair it with the gel. You got the best wash and go. Seriously, that's what I use on my wash and goes or braid outs or twist outs. It keeps my hair hydrated and defined. This is the As I Am Long and Luxe Go Yogurt. Go Yogurt. It's a really good leave-in. This is my #1 favorite Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Good for your edges and your hair. I use it in my oil rinse. This is Lovely Bees Edge Control. I stand by this edge control. I've never had an edge control lay my edges down. And it stays all day. So good. So yeah, guys. These are all the products that I use. And I hope this helps you.